A rocket engine. Printed. This isn't sci-fi. It's real, and it's one of the most dangerous engines ever built. It's called Super Draco, and it's made almost entirely with 3D printing technology. This engine powers SpaceX's escape system, designed to save astronauts if something goes wrong during launch. It's built from a superalloy called Inconel, which can withstand temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, the kind that would melt normal metal in seconds. And because it's 3D printed, every curve and channel is designed for perfect fuel flow and maximum thrust. If a printer can build a rocket engine that survives explosions, what's stopping it from printing a human heart that keeps us alive? Technology once built for war and space might soon build life itself. Follow Rare Wonders for more creations that blur the line between science and magic.